Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do military tunnels red card puzzle in Rust. So what we'll need to do is go to the military tunnels. Right here, there will be a scientist, so prepare for the radiation and a lot of scientists. Right here, be careful, there will be a lot of scientists too. So run right here, straight to the right, to this room. So let's just go around here. And just go to this armory. Be careful. There will be a scientist also. So loot it right here, everything, and here where you put your first fuse and activate this switch. After that, go right here, and what we'll need to do is actually go right here through here and kill a lot of scientists. Go right here, and here if you crouch it and go right here, you'll find a green keycard room. So what you'll need to do is swipe your green keycard, prepare your gun because there will be scientists also. Turn this switch. Now we can go back right here and jump it on here, crouch it like this, and then go here. And if you have enough radiation, you'll be okay. Right here, you can loot this container too. You'll find a lot of military crates right here. After that, go here to this container, and you should find a doors for the other cards. So right here, you can swipe your blue card, and be careful, as I said, of scientists. And here, it will be your red key card. So looted everything right here, and after that you can leave by pressing on this button or just going back right here and going backwards right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to leave from here, you will enter the silo. So you will leave it through the silo. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you and see you in the next one. Peace.